the elevator here at H&M, White Marsh Mall, Baltimore, Maryland.
Not surprisingly, it's a Schindler.
Alright, let's listen. One. As we all know, the door close does not work on Schindler unless it's in firefighter's operation.
Yep. This is just your basic Schindler elevator.
Yep, capacity 4,500 pounds. This is remarkably similar to H&M at King of Prussia,
Except the cab is designed in like the opposite way, with the door and everything.
Let's see, is there a Schindler logo on the door track?
No, there isn't.
Nope. Let's see. ECI interlock. I don't know when this was installed.
It was probably installed like 2015.
And that's it.